Congratulations on your 10-year anniversary, Kathy. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. The grand finale of the show goes a little something like this. Here we go. Okay, Douglas, do you have any kids? Yes. How many do you have? Three. Okay, do you want another one in the future? Yeah. Douglas, I'm going to give you a bit more protection just in case something goes wrong, so flat hands. Stick together, Douglas. Okay, kids, can I just get you to sit down in the back of the room? The adults are fine, just the children. Thanks, mate. Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Grand finale of the show. Check it out. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Douglas, it's not what it looks like. This is a B13 show. Sick people. 1. I don't know why I do this show. 2. No, I think it's on its way of making a living. 3. Ladies and gentlemen, I think life is a gift, and a lot of people waste it. I do not want to waste life. When I pass away, I want to be remembered as something or someone. Every single time I do a show, I always meet interesting people. Okay, guys, stay completely still. Not move until I ask you to. Okay. Oh, wow.